Not an endorsement, but I found one AI website that can make anything you want, including making images, making AI videos, and AI agents that you like. In this video, I will try to tell you what the website is, and I will try to practice it for you to try and see. This is very suitable for those of you who do not want to waste a lot of time in front of your PC or smartphone to make AI contents. Let's just go straight to the tutorial video. But like, comment, and subscribe first, so that I am also more enthusiastic to make interesting content for you all. Here is the tutorial video. The first thing you have to do is open the Lovart AI site. Here we directly click it. We will be brought to an appearance like this. This is an AI site that, in my opinion, can make whatever you want. Many people use this for business. They can make posters, they can make product images, and product videos easily. Besides that, there are so many editing features available here for you to try. In this video, we will directly practice. We will try to use this one site, and it turns out it can be used for free. First, we will just start here. If already we can log in using Google, Apple, and our email. To make it easier here, we will use Google. Now we have been brought to the initial appearance of the website. For new users, you will get 30 free credits every day. And this will always be renewed every day. On the first day and the second day, you might get bonus credits. As you can see here, I get bonus credits, friends, and there are some of my accounts that also get up to 4,000 bonus credits. For the appearance, in my opinion, it is quite simple. At the bottom part, you can try to see the image results, AI videos, posters, character design, video and storyboards, and so on available here. In my opinion, the results are good because there are indeed so many models offered here, including Nano Banana Pro, Grok AI, V03, Cdance 2.0, and many more. Now we will try to practice directly how to use this one AI. First, we go to the left sidebar section. You can see here, New Project. We just click it. If already, we will be brought to an appearance like this. We can close, and here we can click Skip. Here, there is a chat feature on the right side where you can request anything according to what you need. Cdance is already available. There is one shoot video, ad creation, Instagram post, and so on. If we click on the model section, there are many models available here. For image models, there is Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, GPT-4, Cdream 5.0, Flux, and so on. And for the images here, they can still be used for free, friends, according to the credits. Besides that, there are also video models. Unfortunately for video models, here not all are free. There are those that must be subscribed to first before they can be used. Like there is Cdance and some other models that must be subscribed to. The free ones here you can use. Cdance 1.5, there is one 2.6, then there are some other models. Besides that, there are 3D models too that you can use. And here there is one model, Friends, that turns out can be used for free. Yes. Then, on the left side, you can see this is the editor appearance. If, for example, you want to make or generate something. Now, to make images and videos, you can start from here. Then you can also start from the chat feature. This depends on what you like. First, we will try to give an example through the chat feature available here. Here we only have to determine the model we want to use. In the initial part, we will make an image first, and we want to use Nano Banana Pro. If already we return, here we just insert the prompt we want. Here, I have already provided one image prompt. We just paste it. For the ratio here, I make it 16:9 or landscape, and we directly send it. Then later, this will directly be processed. Now it is thinking process, and later the result will be provided on this left side. You just wait until the generating process is finished. On this side, there is an estimated image creation. It takes up to 2 minutes, so we just wait until the result is finished being made. Okay, after waiting, it turns out the image is finished being made. This is the image result. Earlier, it indeed took quite some time, because it turns out there are many queuing to make images too. Now that is it. If, for example, we want to use the chat feature, now we want to use the next feature, which is at the bottom part. We just direct the cursor to the bottom part. Here I will try to make the second image with a different prompt. I just click the icon at the bottom. There is an image generator, there is a video generator too, and here there is a font generator. Here we will use image creation. After that, an appearance like this will be shown. You can choose the available model. I suggest you can try to use Midjourney, because with one generate 4 images will be made that you can choose from. Besides that, for one generate only 7 credits are needed. Here, we set the ratio first. We will try to make it 16:9. After that, we just paste the prompt here, and directly we send it. Later, it will directly be processed like this, right below the first image earlier. Now, for the image result, is also already finished, being made using Midjourney, and the results are also equally good, almost the same as Nano Banana Pro earlier, and the process is not too long, friends. Now, we will try to make a video. The method is quite easy. There are several ways you can use. As an example, here you just click the video generator icon. After that here, you can choose first for the available model. Because here many use premium, we just use the free one. I will try to use the 12.61. If already here, we can set it first, whether to use reference or frame. Here we will use frame. After that, in the start frame section, we click first. Then we just choose select from canvas. After that, we just direct our cursor to this image. We just click the image, and later the image will directly be inserted here, friends. Next, you just insert the prompt. You can set the settings here. The duration we can make it 10 seconds. The quality we will try to make it 1080. And here we need 70 credits to generate it, friends. Directly we click send. Then later, the video will immediately be processed at the bottom part. Same as the image earlier, this can also be changed into a video directly. You just direct it to the bottom part, to the video generator section. We will try to use another model. As an example, I will use Dance Pro 1.5. If already here, we choose this to frame first. In the start frame section, we click first and we just choose from canvas and we choose one of the images available here. I will use this one only. Then for the prompt, we insert it here. For the settings here, the duration can be up to 12 seconds, friends. Then, for the quality, it can be 720 or 1080. We make it 1080 only. Then directly we send it. Now, for the video result is already finished. We will try to play the video result from the first scene first using 12.6.
Aduh, kenapa harus macet sekarang? Malu banget diliatin semua orang di tengah jalan tol begini.
That is the result, made with 12.6. Now, we go to the result made using Dance 1.5.
Jangan takut. Laut ini memang ganas. Tapi aku lebih kuat dari badai manapun. Ayo kita terjang.
In my opinion, both results are quite good. This seems worthy for us to use to make a video. Actually, there are many more tricks that you can explore, but our video this time only discusses about this. You can practice directly if your credits run out. You can try using a temporary email. That is all our video this time. Hopefully this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet in my next video,